Do you want to share your Google Drive templates without worrying about them being accidentally edited? Well, I'm Giuseppe. I'll show you the simple steps to keeping your original documents safe while letting your audience edit their own copies. Now, this is perfect for lead magnets or freebies that you want to share. So let's dive right in. You want to go to your Google Drive and find the template that you want to share. And in this case, I'm going to be sharing this evaluation matrix. So go ahead and open it up and click on Share at the top right-hand corner. And under General Access, you'll see Restricted, but you want to change it to anyone with the link. And make sure that it's set to Viewer, not Commentator or Editor. You want to make sure that in case anybody ever gets this, that they can only view the actual file. And then you want to copy link. But we're not done yet. We want to open the URL browser window or tab, new tab, paste it in, and after that last / you want to select everything behind it and just type in copy. And this is the new URL, the new link that you want to share. And you want to copy this whole thing. And then we're going to test it. So we're going to open it up in another browser window that is a different user that doesn't have access to that other drive, just so we can test it. And you'll notice here that they don't have any documents. I'm going to open a new tab and paste that in and hit enter. And this is what your audience will see. They'll see copy document, note here, would you like to make a copy of it? And they'll click on make a copy. And then they'll see the document right here. And if you go back to their Google Drive and just refresh, now they have a copy of it in their own drive. And when we open this document or this template, you'll notice, I'm just going to go into one of these links, they can actually make changes into this document. And they can go ahead and rename this also. Maybe they'll say this is just Effie's System Evaluation Matrix. And now it's theirs, and they can make any changes that they need to without editing your original in your drive. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you have a question, make sure to drop in the comments below. I'd love to help, and I will see you in the next one.